So look guys, right, if you're new here, please do subscribe, please do leave us a like and a comment. I'll be sure to get back to you. Today, okay, we are going to go over this move here, which is known as super cat wrap. So please stay tuned if you wish to learn this awesome rope dart move. So right, I hope this view helps you out, because you can see my legs and what I'm doing. So, first of all, what you need to do, okay, is you need to get this in an in spin. So say you start down here at the bottom at 6 o'clock, you're going to come up towards your body and it's going to make its way out. This is known as an in spin. I teach this with nunchucks, so I'm going to transfer this learning technique over to rope dart. First of all, what you need to do is you need to put this under your leg and you need to catch it on the other side, okay, like so. Next of all, you're going to keep this this sort of spin going. And then you're going to plop it under the other leg and catch it on the other side. This in slow-mo will look like this. What you're going to do is this leg here, you're going to step back like so, okay? So we start here, this leg, step back. From here, we're going to pass this down to this hand whilst keeping this spin. And if you notice here now how I've literally unravelled it, you just shoot it forward. And that is basically it. So I'm going to show you the move all in slow-mo now, so you understand. Boom. So, if you like this tutorial, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Please feel free to like this video if you find it beneficial in any way. And I'll see you again soon, guys.